Are you an expert, author, freelancer, content creator, or entrepreneur who wants to create an online course but you're struggling to make your online course idea stand out? Well, if yes, I want to tell you that you're not alone, and today I'm going to show you how to identify what makes your course unique so that you can position it so that it stands out and is irresistible to your target students. By the end of this video, you will feel confident and compelled that your course is valuable indeed, and that makes you confidently and unapologetically sell and launch your course successfully. Let's dive in. So, at this point, I'm assuming that you have a course idea or topic in mind, and yet you don't exactly know how it will stand out. You've most likely done your market research and saw that there are tons of people who are offering the same or teaching the same course idea or topic that you want to teach or create an online course in. If that is the case, fret not, my friend, because that is not entirely the reason why your course will not stand out. A lot of online courses do not stand out because in the very beginning, where the course creator is still just in the mapping and planning the course out, they're always thinking about their course idea and about this offer in mind, but not about the people that will take their online course. And so the first step that I suggest you do to position your online course is to make your online course student-oriented, right from the get-go, from the very beginning. And here's what I mean. I want you to take a sec and put yourself in the shoes of your target students. It is definitely much better if you have done market research and actually talked to them about these things. But put yourself in their shoes and consider what is holding them back from getting their desired results. They know, they are aware of where they are currently at right now, and they are aware where they want to be, what outcomes and transformations they want to get. But in between, there is that gap, and there is something that is holding them back from getting from their point A to their point B. It could be time, it could be their money, it could be their mindset or limiting beliefs. Because if they wanted to get there, they could have done it themselves, right? Once you are clear with what is holding them back from getting to their desired results, you can now officially, strategically, and intentionally brainstorm features or positioning your online course so that it answers to whatever it is that is holding them back. And here's an example. Let's say your target students are single moms and they don't exactly have the time to get to where they want to be and to learn what it is they want to learn. So maybe as a course creator who wants your course to be student-oriented, you are now going to adapt your course and create this feature where your course only has lessons that are 5 minutes long. And basically, they can watch or take and put in their busy schedules, and they can watch it in the next 30 days for just 5 minutes every day. So now if you put yourself in their shoes, and they're scrolling through your sales page, right? And this is something that you drilled upon in your sales page, that this will help them even though they are busy, and this is how it's going to help them. And so now they think, oh, this person has really thought about my problems and what's holding me back, and now the thing that was initially holding me back from enrolling in this course, which is time, is answered. So I just want to get inside this course because I know that I have 5 minutes every day to commit into this course. Or another example is a client of mine who created an online course for professionals who want to land their dream jobs. She knows that these professionals, even if they have all the tools and resources that they need to learn how to create the perfect resume and cover letter to land their dream jobs. They might still hold themselves back because they have never done it before, or they are perfectionists and so they want to get it right. And so what she added as a feature in her course is a resume and cover letter service to make sure that her clients will really get their desired results inside the program. And that itself added so much value to her program that she was unapologetic in actually increasing her prices, because she knew that this is not just going to teach them how to do the resume or cover letter, but she has a team who will do it for them. So you see, if you identify what exactly it is that is holding your target students back from investing in your course or from getting to their desired results, this is you stepping into your problem solver role as an entrepreneur. You're not just a course creator, but you're an entrepreneur. And online courses, just like successful businesses, solve problems and fill in the gaps. And so that is what you're doing here. And that is how you position your course to stand out. Second thing is to dig deep into your story. What about your story or your experiences or your background can they relate to and resonate with? If your target students see themselves in you and think, Martha definitely gets me, or John totally understands where I'm coming from, that makes your course stand out even more. So reflect on your story or your narratives that relate to the course topic or the course that you are going to sell, and highlight that as you sell and launch your course. Are you finding this video helpful so far? If yes, make sure to hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more videos on kingdom entrepreneurship, course creation, and faith-based personal development. Also, comment below what makes your course unique. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Next, let's create your unique value proposition, or as I call it inside our Courses with Confidence program, your standout course statement. Answer the following questions to create your standout course statement. 1. Who is your target student? 2. What is the main outcome that you are going to teach them or that they want to get to? 3. How will they achieve this specific outcome? And 4, why do they need to take this course now and with you? Like, what's in it for that? This will make sure that your potential online course students will connect with you and your course on a deeper level, and that makes your course stand out even better. So, in the next slide, I will give you 3 of the templates that I included in the Courses with Confidence workbook to help you in structuring your standout course statement. Pause the video in the next slide and screenshot or take a photo. Done? I hope that helps you in creating your unique value proposition. But I also would love to give you an additional tip. Practice saying your standout course statement out loud. Now, ask yourself, does it sound natural? Does it sound like how you would say it naturally to a friend or to a colleague or to your clients? Does it clearly convey the value of your course? And does it make you proud and unapologetic about your online course? If not, then tweak it until it does. Now, I have a question. Are you a busy and burned out, kingdom-driven, expert, author, freelancer, content creator, or entrepreneur who just wants to get your online course done? Maybe you don't exactly have the time, the know-hows, or the tech skills to set up and create your course from scratch. If yes, I'd love to invite you to check out our course creation done for you intensive at myrrakate.com/done for you. We'd love to take the stress out of course creation from you so that you can focus on what you do best. And basically, we are going to take all the complicated tasks in course creation so that you can just focus on recording your course and promoting your course. I will leave the link in the description box below and make sure to check that out because we only offer this in limited and exclusive spots every month, and we now have open spots for Q3 and Q4. And so if you would love to reserve your spot, then click the link in the description box below. Once again, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to this channel for more tips on creating a profitable and transformational online course. And watch this video next for you to learn the top 3 ways to sell your online course without using paid ads. As always, thank you for watching and keep the faith and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!